Template governance policy. Write professional proposals at scale. Let's kick off with the goal. Using governance to make proposal templates work harder for you. Strong governance keeps a consistent brand voice so every proposal sounds like your company. Confident and reliable, not 8 different writers. It also means faster drafting with fewer edits because teams start from trusted wording, not a blank page. Clear rules reduce risk and compliance issues, minimizing off-brand promises or missing disclosures. Finally, as your team grows, governance scales quality. New writers ramp faster, reviewers align on standards, and clients receive polished, predictable documents that build trust. Start by naming your guide. Choose AP or Chicago as the base. Then add house rules for unique preferences. Lock in the tone. Confident, clear, client-focused. Say what matters. Avoid fluff. Highlight outcomes. Set a language level for global readers. Short sentences, plain words, and define acronyms on first use. Publish a ban list. No vague jargon, filler, or cliches like best in class, synergy, or leverage as a verb. Offer approved alternatives. Reliable, proven, integrates with, reduces cost by 12%. A named standard removes debates and speeds decisions. Decide your structure once, then repeat it. Executive summary. Right pointing arrow solution. Right pointing arrow approach. Right pointing arrow timeline. Right pointing arrow team. Right pointing arrow proof. Right pointing arrow pricing. Right pointing arrow terms. Right pointing arrow next steps. Define heading levels, H1, H2, bullet styles, dashes versus dots, and length limits, e.g., exec summary is less than or equal to 200 words. Set standards for tables and visuals, consistent labels, readable fonts, meaningful captions that explain the so what. Document file naming like client_proposal_product_v1.3 the 12th of May 2025, and a versioning rule, owner, date, increment. Predictable structure helps readers navigate and reviewers spot gaps quickly. Build a library of approved boilerplate, company overview, security posture, support model, and standard SLAs. Use data fields and placeholders with labels like client_name, contract_value, region to reduce manual edits. Provide industry and region variants for healthcare, finance, public sector, with notes about when to use each. Record the update cadence, monthly or quarterly, and the content owner for every component so writers know what is current and who can approve changes. A curated library cuts writing time and keeps claims accurate. Define roles clearly. Writers draft, subject matter experts review facts, legal/compliance approves risk, and a brand owner checks style. Route change requests via a ticket or form with fields for rationale, impact, and due date. Set service level targets, for example, SME review within 2 business days, so projects stay on track. Keep a rollback plan. If a change fails, revert to the last approved version. Maintain an audit trail with who changed what and when. This workflow reduces bottlenecks and protects quality under tight deadlines. Before sending, run a pre-send checklist. Client name accuracy, dates, pricing, references, and required disclaimers. Add automated linting for passive voice, long sentences, banned words, and broken placeholders. Check readability scores and inclusive language to keep content accessible and respectful. Track KPIs, win rate, cycle time, and edit count per section to see where friction lives. Schedule a quarterly review to analyze patterns, retire weak content, and share lessons learned. When quality is measured, it improves and stays improved. Publish a glossary for product names, features, and client titles so translations stay consistent. Enforce regional spelling, color versus color, and include required legal disclaimers per market. Document data privacy requirements, e.g., data residency, retention, and accessibility standards like alt text and readable contrast. Define a translation workflow, source freeze, translation, in-market review, legal sign-off, and final QA. Note who approves each step. Good localization isn't just language, it's accuracy, legality, and respect for local norms. Your policy document should start with purpose, scope, and definitions, so readers know why it exists, who it covers, and what key terms mean. Use clear modal verbs: must, mandatory, should, recommended, may, optional. Assign ownership for each section. Outline training requirements and describe enforcement, including escalation paths. Provide links to examples and help channels such as the template repository, Slack channel, and request form. Keep sentences short, add examples for edge cases, and mark effective dates and review cycles to keep the policy alive.